Ziusudra is the earliest known protagonist in a Mesopotamian flood story. Enki warns Ziusudra of the god's plan to send a flood to destroy humanity, providing him with guidance to construct a vessel. The myths of Ziusudra inspired the Epic of Gilgamesh, in which Utnapishtim recounts to Gilgamesh how he survived a great flood. Following divine commands, Utnapishtim built an ark and brought aboard his family and animals of every kind. When the flood began, waters engulfed the land for 7 days and nights,